my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to create a reference manual inside of Microsoft Office. Specifically, I'm going to be using Word, but I'm also going to use Microsoft Paint for a little bit of simple photo cropping. So, really simply, let's say we wanted to make a manual on how to get to the Office button inside of Word. The first thing to do is to take a screen capture of what you see. It's always really great to have photo reference of the program that you're using and highlight kind of some of the features so people can easily follow along. So we're just going to push the print screen button on our keyboard, come down to the start button of Windows and type in Paint. And we're going to be using Paint quite a lot. So I'm just going to hold down Control and push V to paste our image in. Okay. I'm going to zoom out. And you can see this is kind of like our entire screen that we've captured here, and that's perfect. I'm going to leave this alone and actually paste this directly into Word. And this is really great because what I can do is insert a shape, and let's just select a circle here, and we'll draw a circle over the Office button. I'm going to color this red, come up to Fill, and click on More Colors. And here I'm going to bring up the transparency about 50% or so and say OK. And you can bring that up a little bit higher if you would like. In fact, I think a little bit more might be good. So let's say about 80%. So it definitely highlights it. You can take the shape outline off, and you can leave it on depending on you. You can use fill, no fill, whatever. Just highlighting different areas, and you can put a number next to them. So let's also insert a little text box. I'll just draw a small text box, and inside I'll put a 1. And so you would continue this process throughout all of the different features of your document. And underneath, you would say Word layout or something like that, and you would begin with some bullets. And so, number 1. So the Office button. All right, perfect. So next thing you would do is begin with your walkthrough. So we've got a layout. That's kind of the reference, should be the beginning of the document. Usually it's on its own page. Now we begin the walkthrough. So how to do something. And you can have an outline at the very beginning of your document saying, page this is going to be how to do that, et cetera, et cetera. I'm just going to go through it really simply though. So let's say how to open the Office menu. All right? And you, again, insert your bulleted list with 1s. And we want to say restart the numbering because it relinked itself back up to here. And that's not what we wanted. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to make a manual reference using Microsoft Word. I'm Josiah Ray.